Universal Basic Income, UB, could be a particularly good fit for Canada, especially in the context of the growing impact of artificial intelligence, AI, on the job market. Canada has a diverse economy that ranges from natural resources to technology and healthcare. However, sectors such as manufacturing have seen declines, partially attributed to automation and AI. UB could act as a safety net for those displaced from such sectors, allowing for smoother transitions into different industries. Currently in many provinces, liquor and gambling industries are forced to donate funds to local nonprofits and community programs. Funding for UB could also come from these areas to provide more positive societal benefits. Canada's vast geographical landscape is another point to consider. Remote and rural communities might be hit harder by automation in industries like mining, forestry, and fishing. A UB could offer financial stability to individuals in these areas, ensuring that smaller communities don't get left behind in the tech revolution. Canada already has an extensive social welfare system, but it can be bureaucratic and difficult to navigate. UB could simplify this system, reducing administrative costs and ensuring more direct, timely assistance to those who need it. UB could stimulate consumer spending, a major driver of the Canadian economy. With more disposable income, people are likely to invest in goods and services, which in turn could spur job creation in various sectors. The psychological benefits of UB can't be overlooked. Financial stability often correlates with improved mental health, which in a country like Canada, with its long, harsh winters, could be particularly beneficial. Happier, healthier citizens can contribute more effectively to society and the economy. AI and job displacement. The rise of AI technology could exacerbate income inequality and job insecurity. While AI creates new kinds of jobs, these are often in specialized fields, requiring skills that the average worker may not possess. UB could serve as a financial cushion, enabling people to seek further education or training in emerging industries. Moreover, as AI technologies continue to profit enormously, there's an argument to be made for higher corporate taxation on tech companies, the proceeds of which could help fund UB programs. This ensures that those who benefit most from automation are also contributing to societal well-being. Future-proofing the economy. Lastly, as AI and automation become increasingly integrated into various sectors, Canada can future-proof its economy by considering UB. With a safety net in place, Canadians will be better equipped to adapt to a rapidly changing job market, making the workforce more resilient and versatile. Given Canada's diverse economic landscape, its extensive social welfare programs, and the upcoming challenges posed by AI, implementing a universal basic income could offer a comprehensive, future-oriented solution to ensure both individual well-being and economic stability. Please like and subscribe to our channel at Canopy Crypto.